Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee or HR account on the NDUS website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in NDUS HR login and press enter and start your search. Now from the search results, click on the first link which says Human Resource Login. Now from the login portal, you will be allowed to enter your credentials. So type in the user ID that you have set while creating your account in the user ID section, and then underneath enter your account password within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to the NDUS HR system right away. In case you have forgotten your user ID and password, you will find the appropriate button at the right side underneath the trouble logging in section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account on NDUS website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.